Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Which style of home decor is your signature aesthetic? What does having an aesthetic home mean? The word aesthetic, in contrast to what social media trends may suggest, the goal of an aesthetically pleasing home is to create a beautiful setting that reflects your individuality and preferences. There are numerous well-liked interior design trends, from classic and modern to more obscure ones like glam or boho. Furthermore, even though we are showcasing 3 signature aesthetics, like modern coastal, traditional, and new modern. Dig into your design preferences by considering your favorite colors, materials, and whether you lean toward modern or traditional vibes. Explore various popular interior design styles like modern, traditional, or new coastal. Use natural materials like wood, stone, marble, cotton, linens, and velvet in your furniture, fixtures, and finishes. The hallmark of classic interior design is balance. By adapting classic designs for your house, you are eschewing fads and trends that will soon go out of style. One interior design style that we've been hearing about a lot lately is quiet luxury. What does quiet luxury mean? You can get quiet luxury interior design without spending a fortune. This trend is characterized by subtle elegance, sophistication, and simplicity, and effortlessly creating a serene space that radiates luxury. Consider minimalist, well-chosen interior design, muted colors, and premium materials like cashmere, marble, and real wood. One of my favorite interior design styles is new coastal. Its lighter colors of blue, green, khaki, camel, and white are emphasized in coastal style to convey a laid-back vibe. In order to create a comfortable space, it also welcomes sisal rugs, seagrass accents, and gauzy linen, draperies with casual furniture that is slipcover in neutral tones. Calm neutrals with splashes of ocean-inspired colors, think blues, greens, and even delicate coral tones, are required for the design elements. You may achieve the beach look in a tasteful way by combining neutral fabrics like cotton, linen, jute, sisal, and rattan with light tone aged woods. I don't think modern coastal or new coastal style will ever go out of style anytime soon because of its classic trend that keeps developing, growing, and gaining appeal every single year. Think about utilizing black as an accent color, distributing it in lesser amounts over the room. A striking effect that makes the room feel expansive and anchored without being overbearing. Can be achieved with a black feature wall, floor, or ceiling. Traditional style often includes silk, linen, and velvet upholstery, and window coverings in damask, floral stripes, and plaids, with ornately detailed dark wood inspired by 18th and 19th century designs. Layered in color and texture, traditional style interiors brings a sense of history and glamour to any space. Rich color choices, symmetrical groupings, and traditional furniture items are a key component of traditional decor. Give your house a traditional feel while incorporating conveniences of contemporary living, and discover how a few easy handcrafted details may give your house a traditional feel without appearing dated. Traditional design usually starts with a traditional look before carefully incorporating more modern elements to keep the design fresh. It's frequently described as classic design with a modern twist. Modern interior design is a monochromatic color scheme. Simple lines, simplicity, natural materials, and natural light are characteristics of modern interior design. The secret to a contemporary design is simplicity. This design emphasizes the idea of an open floor plan. Furniture and accessories are a great way to define spaces in an open environment, using natural materials like leather, wood, and stone is emphasized in modern interior design. More than just a fad, modern interior design is a way of life that exudes sophistication and flair. This design strategy makes areas seem orderly and clutter-free. It frequently uses monochromatic color schemes, which produce a calming and well-balanced atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.